I just wanted to explain about the anti-flap kit. All our 360s going out the door now come standard with what we call an anti-flap kit. What that is 4 poles that are a little bit shorter than your main poles. These ones are 1650, these ones are 1350, and you get a rope with some extra clips so you can tie up the canvas. Now if the wind was coming from this direction and started to come up under here and you're getting the canvas shake around like this, what you can do is install these. Take out your clips here, we're going to swap the poles and we'll show you how you do it. And if you want to come out, I'm going to disconnect the rope of the unit, and then I'm going to take out one pole. I'll often just do one at a time. And you'll see the difference here between the lengths. I put a little black wrap around them, and I also poke them all the way in my pole bag so that I don't accidentally grab the wrong ones. I've done that a few times. And you'll see, as soon as I put one pole in, the end is coming down quite low. But I'm going to do 2. Now, you attach it back to the same location, so it's just clipped in exactly the same location, and you can generally get enough rope at this stage to tighten it up. Now, you'll see it's nice and low, but what's happening here is we're getting some flap here. Now, I'm just going to go and do the other end as well, just to show you all 4 poles installed. All right, now it's all nice and low. Again, quite sloppy. So this is where the rope comes in handy. All our 360 awnings now have these little tags so you can tie them down if there's any sort of wind around. So we're just going to use that. We're going to come down and just come through the same. You'll have a couple of these just running along the rope. As you go along, you just clip them on and clip them onto the same spot again, and we're going to come back over here. We're just going to loosen this to make sure we can clip on our rope through the catch. Re-engage that tension. And you've got quite a lot left over here, and the idea is you can use this to adjust it up. I'm just going to attach it here. You only need to go on these 4 locations, but sometimes we do the whole side and the rope needs to be longer, so we've given you a bit extra rope. So in this situation, you're just going to have to do a little loop on it to shorten it, and then pull it down. And there's one spare clip, just depends which way you want to do it. And then you just come along, make it all nice and tight. There you go. You hear that sound? Nice and tight.